Hey, what's up guys? So I have a new product. In my description there will be a link and where to buy it. It is the IKEA bed. As you can see, it looks just like that, all done. Easy to build, approximately 45 minutes most likely. You have a night table that was easy to build too from IKEA, and then you have the dresser. All together maybe approximately $300, and it looks nice. It looks very nice. So the bed, as you had, it has a footboard, pretty cool. The sides, very nice. And this is your backboard. Very nice, easy to build. I'm gonna show you the bottom. We did buy the little wooden planks for the bottom. As you can see, so we do not need a box frame. The box frame we eliminated. Very nice. Just make sure you hand tight everything. Do not use power drills. It will break right through the wood. Well, this is a quick room set for a very cheap price, and it looks very nice. I will have all three in the description. Well, that is about it. Like and subscribe if you have any question at all. I just wanted to share a cheap bedroom set, but looks very nice. Also, please check out my channel. I have free giveaways about every 2 weeks. Awesome. Well, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.